How to plan to create a multiple-level online course. Creating a multiple-level online course involves careful planning to ensure coherence, progression, and effectiveness across the different levels. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you plan the creation of a multiple-level online course. 1. Define learning objectives. Clearly define the learning objectives for each level of your course. Identify the knowledge, skills, and competencies that students should acquire at each level, ensuring alignment with overall course goals. 2. Design curriculum structure. Develop a structured curriculum that outlines the sequence of levels, modules, and lessons in your course. Determine how the content will be organized and scaffolded to facilitate learning progression and mastery. 3. Outline course content. Create detailed outlines for each level of your course, breaking down the content into manageable modules and lessons. Determine the scope and depth of coverage for each topic, ensuring a logical progression from basic to advanced concepts. 4. Select teaching methods and resources. Choose appropriate teaching methods, resources, and instructional materials for each level of your course. Consider a variety of formats such as video lectures, readings, interactive exercises, quizzes, assignments, and case studies to cater to different learning styles and preferences. 5. Develop assessments and activities. Design assessments and activities to evaluate student learning and progress at each level. Incorporate formative assessments, quizzes, assignments, and projects to reinforce learning objectives and provide opportunities for practice and feedback. 6. Ensure continuity and cohesion. Ensure continuity and cohesion between levels by establishing clear connections and transitions between topics and concepts. Provide adequate review and reinforcement of foundational knowledge before introducing new concepts at higher levels. 7. Consider prerequisites and entry points. Determine any prerequisites or entry points required for students to enroll in each level of your course. Clearly communicate the requirements and expectations to prospective students to ensure they have the necessary background knowledge and skills to succeed. 8. Plan for student support and engagement. Develop strategies for supporting student learning and engagement at each level of your course. Provide opportunities for interaction, collaboration, and peer feedback through discussion forums, live sessions, and community activities. 9. Integrate feedback and iteration. Gather feedback from students and instructors during the development and delivery of each level of your course. Use feedback to identify areas for improvement and iteration, refining the content, assessments, and teaching methods to enhance student learning outcomes. 10. Create a launch and promotion plan. Develop a launch and promotion plan to attract students to your multiple-level course. Market each level individually, highlighting the value proposition and benefits of enrolling in the entire course series. Utilize email marketing, social media, content marketing, and partnerships to reach your target audience effectively. By following these steps and carefully planning the creation of your multiple-level online course, you can ensure that each level is structured, engaging, and effective in supporting student learning and progression.